Welcome to the Exam Coach 11 Plus Exam Daily Vocab Show, where we build your 11 Plus Exam vocabulary one word at a time. Before we get into today's word, here's a reminder that we deliver live workshops throughout the year for students preparing for their 11 Plus exam. These workshops cover comprehension, verbal reasoning, writing, and maths. In the last academic year, we helped over 5,000 students. Give it a try and improve week after week. Just visit the Exam Coach website for more information. That's www.theexamcoach.tv. Today's word is disembark. It is pronounced Disembark, and it is spelt D-I-S-E-M-B-A-R-K. Think dis, then M, and then bark. Disembark means to leave a ship, aircraft, or other vehicle after a journey. For example, you could say, the passengers began to disembark once the plane had landed. Disembark comes from the prefix dis and the word embark. Embark means to go on board a ship or aircraft, or begin a journey. The prefix dis has a few different meanings, but in this context it means the opposite of. If we put these two words together, we have one word meaning the opposite of going on board a vehicle to begin a journey. Therefore, getting off a ship or plane after a journey. Its exact meaning today. In 2020, solo traveller Dr. Koala Al-Ramati from the UAE broke a world record for travelling the world and visiting all 7 continents in the least amount of time. She bagged the title by travelling all 7 continents and 208 countries in just 3 days, 14 hours, and 46 minutes. Oh, whoa. Disembark is a verb, and therefore a doing word. For example, you could say, the students always disembark the bus when it reaches the school gates. Disembark is defined in the dictionary as to leave a ship, aircraft, or other type of vehicle after a journey. Disembark synonyms include alight, dismount, get off, step off, leave, go ashore, land, and arrive. Antonyms include embark, get on, and leave. Impress your friends and family by using your new word today. When you get out of the car at school or on your way home, tell them you are disembarking from the vehicle. Have a top day ahead, and we'll be back tomorrow at the same time for another Exam Coach 11 Plus Exam Daily Vocab Show.